Hello guys, today's the topic is RSI indicator, which is use indicator and analyze the technical chart of the stock. So first understand the meaning of overbought and oversold. These terms are even practical. How can anything be overbought when we have more buyers and vice versa is oversold? Imagine if you were selling a potato and its current price was 40 rupees kg. Now imagine soon it will get more and more buyers. So can you guess what will happen when demand is high? Yes, the price will go high and the supply is limited. So now the price of potato is 50 rupees per kilo. The more demand price will go to 60, 70 and then 100 rupees per kg. Now the concept is demand and supply theory is applicable in any market, not just the stock market. Imagine if any XYZ stock or gold or even crude oil is going for a one sided trend for long. Now, in an overbought situation, when demand is more, sellers will make an entry at some point, and in case of an oversold situation, buyers will make entry as well sooner or later. So if we find such a point, then we will not just understand trend reversal, but it will also help us to make a fresh investment when the entry is oversold, or even book our profit when it's overbought. But how to identify such points? That is why we have RSI indicator. The full form of RSI is Relative Strength Index. It's not the price or any pattern, it's an index which tells you the strength for upside and downside of both. Before we understand how to use it, let's see how to add RSI indicator in Zerodha. So here I'm uh, giving Zerodha scenario, where first click any stock and open the chart. You will see the FX button where you have to write RSI and click on it. Once you click on RSI indicator, it will show the default numbers like period. Now comes the important thing, how to make use of this RSI indicator. When you add RSI in your chart, you will see like this RSI indicator. As the period is 14, then the black line is RSI indicator tells you strength on both the up and downside of the stock for the last 14 days of daily chart, or 14 weeks if weekly chart. Can you see can you see two horizontal lines, one at 80 and second is downside 20? These two are indicator of overbought and oversold entity. So anything above 80 is overbought stock, indicates to book your profit, and below 20 is the indication of buying fresh investment. Also note, when the black line is above 60, it's bullish indicator, and the moment it slides below 40, it's bearish sign. Let's see the example of RSI. Glenmark stock. It was due to Vasan news that Glenmark was super bullish, and due to same bullishness, anyone might come up with target of 600, 650, or even more in the coming days. But check the RSI; it was above 80, which clearly suggests the stock was overbought, and that's why any stock made up a sharp fall next day. Another example, we can take L&T. It was near March 2020. There was a big fall in the market, and so in LT. Now LT is not a bad stock fundamentally, but at what point we have to buy? RSI help here as well. RSI went below 20 when stock was near 750, suggesting stock was oversold, and it turned out it was the best price. Eventually the stock recovered in coming months, touching the 1000 plus mark. So limitation of RSI, it is as simple to buy the stock when RSI goes below 20 and sell it when it goes above 80. The answer is yes, it's that simple, but we have one limitation here. Let's see the example. Laurus Lab share. This is Laurus Lab stock chart. What you see from the picture, stock is overbought not just for 1 2 days but for 10 weeks and 8 no sign of fall. So the limitation here is RSI is it won't tell you exactly when the trend reverses, when the stock is overbought or oversold. It might reverse before touching 80 or before going down below 20. It will reverse for sure when oversold or overbought, but it's not a price action indicator. That's why it won't tell you exact day, but it will reverse more duration. To reverse means the reversal will be much stronger in stock. It's very rare, but it will happen when stock is following only sentimental of news or event of the duration. Solution, you already know there is a reversal, but the best play is to pair RSI with MACD crossover or candlestick signs just for confirmation of an ongoing trend.